Hi friends, today we're doing a decor haul. We're starting outside and we're walking around the whole house today. Hi guys, so we're outside. We're doing a decor haul. There's a few things I need to show you that I've been picking up. It's a little windy, but we're starting outside so I can show you what I picked up for the outdoors. And I don't think I've taken you guys around the back side of the house, so let's get into it. So it is starting to warm up. Poco's out here with me, so I have been trying to get our back patio in shape so we can enjoy it before it gets really hot this summer. So you guys haven't even been out here. This is the back of our home. So our property goes to the fence, but we have that green space behind us and we don't have anyone to our right, so that's really nice. And Poco likes to come out and sunbathe. So these chairs we brought from California, the sun recliners, but I just grabbed a new umbrella, and that one I actually picked up at Ross and it was $39.99, so good price. At HomeGoods I picked up these chairs. They're actually by Thomasville and they were $39.99. I really like this durable plastic that they're made of. And then we kind of created the side table. So I shared this in a home decor haul. It was a wall hanging, but I decided to use it as the top of this little table, which had a top. It was from Burlington. Actually, both of those were from Burlington. And I think it's really cute together. The little table was on clearance because the top of it is that mosaic and it had some cracks in it, so it was $11. And then the wall hanging was $11. So my husband fixed it to the base and I really like that. I think that was a great use. And then this is from Ikea. It is a large metal hutch. Still working on my organization of my plants, no judgment here. It's much better than it was. So I'm hoping to be doing some potting of my succulents in some smaller pots, and then I'll put in a picture real quick for you guys of what the hutch looks like from Ikea. Then over here, I don't think I've shared this with you guys. At Christmas time I picked this up and it was $300. It was $2.99 at Walmart, and originally it was something like $900, so it was on clearance and that worked out really well. We are going to mount the TV out here, so we'll have a little bit more of a entertainment area. And then I just picked up this rug from Costco. I really want to do something prettier out here, but this was $20, and we need to train Poco over here to not go potty on the patio before I'm going to be buying a more expensive rug. Poco, no more going potty on the patio, okay? So we've sprayed the area with vinegar. My husband did some research and hopefully that'll work. Then over here, I actually just picked up this pot from Tractor Supply, and it looks like it'd be really heavy, but it is a lightweight plastic and had a drainage hole, which I love. I don't like to have to drill them, but I will. And then I found this little arch arbor. It's like a little miniature trellis for plants at Ross, and it was $3. It was $2.99. So I have some ideas for this that I'll hopefully be sharing with you guys pretty soon. So you guys know that we're getting ready to do some construction in here. I did pick this up. It was kind of like a birthday present that I picked out. It is the blanket ladder, and I think it's Studio McGee. No. Hearth and Hand. I don't know. It's from Target and it was $79.99. I love the arch on it and I love the color wood. So now let's head in. I'll show you guys some things in my room. So this is the state of my floor. So I have a few different things. I'm going to switch it out to show you guys. So I have this stuff on my dresser so you can see. I got this plant at Hobby Lobby and I love when they do their plants at 50% off. So this was like $12. So I was really excited about that, and I actually went in after these. I've been looking at these prints for a while. There's actually 4. I picked up 3, so they're $19.99. The birds remind me of my kids, so I did get them for $10 a piece. So I got the black and white one, this one with the orange and beige, and then this one in the browns. And there's actually another one that is kind of like gray and he has hair sticking up. So I think they're probably seasons, you know, like 4 seasons. Okay, now Walmart. You guys know I just took you guys there to see what they have for Easter. I brought this home. Can't beat the price, $3. So thought that was really cute. And then I love some of the floral they did. So this is dogwood. I bought 3 or 4 of these. Prices have gone up just like everything. And so these were actually $3.50. They used to be $3. So I got a few of those. And then it's some gorgeous lavender. Now this, if you ask me, looks like it was probably $10 at Hobby Lobby. It looks that good, but it was $3.50 at Walmart. So keep your eye open for those. Target, you guys know I've been there, actually was just there, so I'm going to be sharing a video on that. I love their organizing bins. I bought these when they put them out a couple years ago. $5. You get 4 bins. They're great shapes and sizes because they're rectangles, so that's the same price as Dollar Tree now, and these are better quality. Keep your eye open for those. I also got this really cute egg beaded garland. Now it was $5, but I get it because beads can be expensive. And this is Bullseye's playground, so I had to bring that home. I also got the black planter for $5, and then I did get one of the canisters. I'm thinking for my son's room, maybe it'll help us get a little more organized in there. $3. And then they had a lot of their coffee bar stuff that I feel like I just showed you guys on clearance. This was a rug. I picked it up. It was $2.50 from $5. And I stopped into the pharmacy. So these are actually from CVS. Totally gonna ditch this raffia. It looks cheesy, but I love the weave look on them. Now they were priced at $8 a piece, but if you join their CVS Extra Care thing, you get free $10 store purchase. And then they give you the phone number to call and cancel it. So you know what I did. I got these 2 and then I went and canceled it. Now I was just at Dollar General, completely blown away. They had this. Now they say it's for coffee. It was only $4. To me, this is a terrarium for decor. And so I had to bring that home. They also had this lantern. I was hoping I could find 2 of them, but I only found 1. So it's $15. Love it. It does have the glass insert inside for a candle in there. And then I also found a napkin holder. I am very happy with it. So funny, the littlest things make me happy, but this one was, I think, oh, this is Ross. $5 on this one. Okay, now I'm gonna put up everything I've been thrifting. Okay, I actually forgot that I did have a few things from Ross. So I showed you guys the napkin holder. I also got these baskets. They have some beautiful baskets right now. It is such a good size. I know I need to stop buying baskets, but I'm buying baskets. So this one was $25. And then this one, it's a little bit different design. I really like it. It was $13.99, so I could not pass those up. But at Dollar General, I also have Ikea. And then we'll get to our thrifted items. I picked up another one of these rugs. I had gotten one before. I want to say they're $10. So I got them for a master bath. They're perfect. I love all the colors. It's like beige and sort of a grayish and cream. Okay, I was at Ikea. And I actually went in for pillow covers for our great room. But they had this and I had to bring it home. I just love throws that are lightweight like this, and this one with a little bit of white detail in it is perfect. So that's the name, Ingrun, and it was $12.99. And then I actually picked these up, and these are a 20 by 20. This was $5, and it's the perfect green. It matches the room that we just shared with you guys that we did the board and batten. And I always visit the clearance section in Ikea. I had seen these bowls, and this one was, I think, $9 in the showroom. And so it was $3.50 in their little clearance section. So I brought that home. They also have these little plants right now you may want to look at. Now in the showroom, they're only $1.50, but this one was in the clearance section and it was only $1. So yeah, I'll take that 50 cents. And this was the other thing that I was eyeballing in the showroom. It's a really large 26 by 26 pillowcase or pillow cover, I should say. And I think they were like $13, but I got this one for $4. And I am starting to look like in thrift stores and stuff for serving pieces, and they're so expensive and they're all scratched up, but they have these bowls. I think this would be great for desserts or salads, and that's the name. These are $2.99 a piece, so you can't even beat that at the thrift store. Speaking of thrift store, now I'm going to switch the stuff out and show you guys what I've been picking up. Now for my thrifted items. So how rare is it that you find a lampshade at a thrift store in perfect condition? So I had to pick it up. It was $2.50 and no stains, no discoloration, no smells. I also picked this up, and it's just a real cute bird feeder, $2. I am going to try something with it and take the orange out, make it a little more muted wood. And then this, now it has a little blemish in it. It is a bookend, but it was 50 cents. So, 25 cents, even better. And I just like the shape of it. I think it's really cool. And there is a large piece of furniture we're going to go in and see in the other room. Now this, it was $3. And I thought, gosh, that's a lot, but it's just so unique. I might try the whole oven cleaner thing on this and this. If you guys have seen that, let me know. And then I found this. It was $2, and I just thought it was a really pretty cross. I like the design on it. Also picked a few baskets up. These are going to go in my daughter's room, I think. They were $2.75. Now they have this detail I don't love, but you can just pick it off. You can just snip it, wash them, and they make really nice hanging baskets for some storage. And then I also got this one at the same thrift store, and it was $2.50. And I just thought it was a really pretty shape and color. So now let me go into the other parts of the house to show you guys some new furniture and the larger items. So we are absolutely loving this room. If you guys didn't see, we did do a whole video on it with the board and batten, and that is a new shelf we picked up on Facebook Marketplace. And then over here, I know I shared I was looking for the perfect thing. I found this and I couldn't leave it behind. It was from HomeGoods and it was $1.99. I love that it has the open storage so we can do some decorating on top, and we needed something tall in this corner, and then it has the drawers for some storage. So these are some of the larger items I'm picking up. This is an arch I found. It is plastic, really lightweight, but it is a complete dupe for those at Hobby Lobby. Now the ones at Hobby Lobby are black. These are gray, but they're only $12 at Dollar General. Now I also picked these up. They are not going to look like this. I'm going to share sort of a transformation on them. I did find them for $19.99 a piece at HomeGoods. Stay tuned for what I do with those. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my haul. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.